Imeye kaunti ya Kisii ni gaboro kiwabo barigani wa cukuru eliko nyara goso ekerasi keligia kenda gose form 1 mulikeito mirdedi mumanyi ni gatari cukuru na gutwarigani roboti rokubwatia
Chisukuru chinyingi cha sekondari imensi ya Kenya nigo chaichorwa no mubaro omonene bwa boro kigwa bekirasi gya kyanda abo bali kigwa asogo chago chaka amasomo aso mwaka bwe kalenda ya masomo bwechiri bubere na merongebere netatu. Imeye kaunti ya Kisii nigo abaiboli baikia abana babo ase chisukuru anene mono ase sukuru yabamura ya Kisii eraini yarorekana koba entambe kegima aso mwalimu omonene atebire nigo balengete gucha konyora abana chimya isano nemo na merongetano nebere.
We are glad and excited as an institution to have received Form 1s and Form 1 parents, and as you can be able to see they are still doing the registration. So far, we've received about 410, and we're expecting around 670 students. And we want to thank our parents for bringing the boys around. The process is going on well. We have already released a number who have already cleared the process. They are prepared. Luckily, we were given a few classes by the ministry, the CBC. And we want to thank the board of management for assisting us put up places where they will.
Nigo abaiboli abo baikia abana ase eskuru yibarekana kogo kiwa no bwango bwogo shughulikerwa ase eskuru yo.
Process pia imekuwa si mbaya vile. Imekuwa ni smooth process. So far tumeng'ang'ana, naona tuko at the advanced process to almost.
Lakini na shughulikeiru vilivyo. Na ndera ini mbwange kogenda na bari mundu ojembia bago toira gaiga kikiagera iko bagasi temono ke abaibuli bari bakorware egere bairane bagende gukora imirembe ndemingao.
Nase eskuru ya Rogongo secondary eye gutoka Imeya Nyamache nigo omwalimu omonene atebire abana barorekanie goikirana buyage korenganirwa na matuko amagega asebo igo atebana chikubwaterana kwenekia amatokyo amayango cyabosyo.
Actually, it's a very good turn up, unlike other years. I joined this school in 2017, so as I compare this year, I can say I'm very happy because first day there was a turn up of students, almost 27 as per now, and they are still coming. And some have requested to give them time until Friday, others next Monday because of financial constraints.
Nonyana boigo nigo atebire amakongunaro ya baiboli gotaikirania ase binto biribiganeirie asaba saba goikerania elio kweneke chisemingo sukatire bosyo ase skuru eyo.
This the unique thing ni kwamba wazazi wanakuja amenunua mtoto uniform ana pesa nasema naenda kutafuta at least lunch, hiyo lunch fee, hiyo pesa ya lunch, because hii ni day school. Tukiacha watoto wakienda huko nje vijana wapikiwa wanangoja na mandazi. So tunaambia wazazi akuje tu tuongee aleta hata mahindi so that akule lunch shuleni.
Ase chinga kecho nigo abaiboli abo baikia abana ase skuru eyo bagokiwa no kwariganirwa kwarenge ase skuru eyo.
Ngeti kobera skuru na ditoria rero na bari sifibia na barimu
na twike bato receive na to na gotokore no twalenga abange twalenge mono mbato kwa mbwango